Monday Noyes notes and 24-hour forecast. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Another warm day today through the interior where we top out over 80 degrees. Cooler at the coast with an onshore wind. Early summer heat and humidity with us for our Tuesday and Wednesday. Over 90 in spots. The dew point climbs. And isolated storms possible Tuesday, but strong to severe thunderstorms will be a risk on Wednesday. And that's as a cold front comes in and knocks the temperature down pretty dramatically by the time we get to Thursday. So out the door, the kiddos can have the shorts, the short sleeves, the Crocs on. Don't forget the sunblock. It is going to be a summery feel with temperatures that are running in the 70s for recess, bus ride home from school, a little cooler at the coastline. And there may be a couple of showers, even a few downpours or an isolated rumble of thunder this morning that will dwindle. Notice the temperatures rise into the 70s by the time we get to lunchtime. 60s at the coast, 50s to lower 60s along the coastline of Maine. Good amount of sunshine this afternoon, warmest through the interior, and mainly dry as well, aside from an isolated shower in far northern New England. This evening, temperatures will cool back slowly through the 70s and the 60s into the 50s overnight tonight in northern New England, with a couple of showers right along the Canadian border. Otherwise, a fairly quiet start, but a warm start to our Tuesday. So high temperatures today, only at the 60s of the coast. We may hit 70 and then cool back with that ocean influence. Mid to upper 60s on Cape Cod, the immediate south coast as well. But notice we are pushing low to mid 80s here across the Pioneer and lower Connecticut River Valley, either side of 80 across central southern Vermont, western New Hampshire, but then cooler along the New Hampshire seacoast, 60s to lower 70s. Northern New England, somewhere like the Champlain Valley will probably push 80 plus, but then 70s for most of us, a warm day from the Northeast Kingdom to northern New Hampshire, western Maine, 60s for the crown of Maine, but around 70 along the turnpike, and then 60s along the coastline. That wind coming onshore about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, 60s in western New England, 50s the farther east you go, on either side of about 50 degrees across the Pine Tree State. Track it all for your city or town right in our free 5-star weather app. 14-day forecast, a look at the next 2 weeks. The video is right at the top. You've got it all on there. Search 1 Degree Outside Weather in the App Store and Google Play.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside Weather.